The era of the standard drone is over. For years, we've been told that if you want the third-person video game look, you have to strap a bulky 360 camera to the top of an FPV drone, balance the weight, pray the vibration doesn't ruin the shot, and spend hours masking out the drone in post-production. But today, in 2026, DJI has finally decided to kill that struggle. This is the DJI Avata 360. It isn't just an upgrade to the Avata 2, it is a total reimagining of what immersion means. We are looking at a machine that doesn't just record what's in front of it, it records everything. Up, down, left, right, and even behind itself. And the craziest part? The drone itself is completely invisible in the footage. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you've been waiting for the magic bullet of content creation, you're looking at it. But there's a massive war brewing between DJI and the anti-gravity A1, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this battle is about to change your hobby forever. Let's get straight to the heart of the beast, the camera module. In the leaked blueprints and the FCC filings we've seen this month, DJI is doing something radical. They aren't just putting one lens on the front. The Avata 360 features dual 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensors, basically the same high-end glass found in the Osmo 360 action camera, but integrated directly into the airframe. These sensors are positioned on a revolutionary 90-degree rotating gimbal. Why does that matter? Because for the first time ever, you can switch between standard FPV mode and full 360 mode mid-flight. Imagine diving a building in traditional 4K 120 frames per second, and then, with a flick of a switch on your motion controller, the cameras rotate, the stitching engine kicks in, and you're suddenly capturing an 8K spherical sphere. This isn't just a drone, it's a flying film crew. But let's talk about the invisible factor. The American drone market has been obsessed with the invisible selfie stick look for years. DJI has taken that concept and applied it to a CineWhoop. By placing the lenses in a specific offset geometry, the Avata 360's internal processor stitches the blind spots together in real time. When you pull that footage into your editor, the drone is gone. It looks like a floating, ghostly camera is following you at 60 miles per hour. This is the God view that creators have been dreaming of. No more propeller guards in the shot. No more landing gear blocking the view. Just pure, unobstructed 8K glory. Now, why is everyone talking about the anti-gravity A1 rivalry? Because for the first time in a decade, DJI is actually scared. A newcomer has challenged them in the 360 space, and the Avata 360 is DJI's nuclear option. While the anti-gravity A1 is a fantastic 360-only drone, DJI's secret weapon is the O4 Plus transmission system. We're talking about a 13-kilometer range with near-zero latency. In the USA, where we have wide-open spaces and complex urban environments, that signal stability is the difference between a successful shoot and a $1,000 pile of plastic at the bottom of a canyon. The Avata 360 is built for the professional who cannot afford to lose a signal. Let's dive into the specs that are making the community lose its mind. We are looking at a 25% battery upgrade over the Avata